For the spaceship, I'm spacey then. White mansion in my habitat.
Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to Blossom Queening. Have a look around, like some shit, leave a comment, and don't be shy to subscribe. So I want to start off this video by saying Happy New Year, and I want to show gratitude to all of you who rocking with me from since day one. I really appreciate it, like respect. So this tutorial is gonna be a wig install, a custom wig that I made over short locks. So if you are interested to see how I achieve this, keep on watching the video. I did about 5 braids going back, but you want to go according to what you're working with. If your client has a lot of hair, then you're going to do smaller braids. If they're longer, you gotta do small braids because you don't want your wig to look bulky. So after I braid her down, I went ahead and did her bulk up method because we gotta protect cis edges. The dates on this wig is 12, 14, 16 with a 12-inch frontal. She purchased this hair from me like a year ago, but you would see at the end of this video like the hair is still popping. So I do hair and I sell hair, and I want you guys to go over to my business page on Instagram and follow me at the hair bar, just so you girls some love, period. I did about 4 to 5 layers of glue. Then once the glue turned clear, I applied the wig. Do not, I repeat, do not apply the wig once the glue is still white. You gotta wait till it clear, then you can apply the wig. We have reached the styling part of the tutorial, and if you made it this far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and show your girls some love. Also, if you are enjoying this tutorial, please leave a comment down below. She wanted some loose curls, so I used my Conair curling iron in the size 1.5 inches, and I gave her some pin curls. I used my holding spray so that the curls then could last longer. Okay, so this is my last curl, and I let the curls sit for like a minute or two so that they could cool off, and then I took out the pins and just used my big T comb and comb them out. I'm just making sure that the hair is falling how I want it to, and making sure that it has the right layers in the right places. Then I showed her, and this was her reaction. Yes guys, I know she was pleased. Okay, so that's the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys really enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
Black girls, not area code. These black girls need to be in the shows. Be on the runways, not just billboards.